Nice old kitty cat blue on the fucking San Antonio River.
That bitch stuck.
Let me get him out. Pick that puppy up. Shoo-wee! Bro done got him. Let's see if he can get another one. Out here on the river today, we caught us a good one. Trying over there. Oh, he's big. Fuck, so I might have to get in the water for this one. I don't want him to bust my line. I know he ain't 40 pounds though. I'm gonna drag his ass over here. Oh yeah, got him. Got him, sis. Got him. Woohoo! Big old donkey cat right there. It's just fat. That Timu rod. Look at that Timu rod. Alright, so let's grab the pole. Oh my god. She's a tank.
There you go.
Watch out, watch out. Grab this one. Okay. Let's land this big old puppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Hang on, let me get inside that gill. Oh, I fucking broke his gill. Reel it in real quick. Four of them just come out, brother.